Chum, 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 chum. Chum, 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 chum.
Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon. What is speciality today? What happened morning? Rain came. Do you enjoy rain? Yes. Do you like rain? Yes. Yes, you love rain. Yes. 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 We love rain. We love rain. Say loudly, yes. We love rain. We felt happy. We felt happy. We make fun. We make fun. Okay, all of you like rainy day, kada? Why? Because rain is water. You are playing with more and more. Today morning, children are playing with boats. Are you observed? All are playing with a boat. Observe all of you. Really very fun. Yes or no? Some members are taking photos. We are taking umbrella and raincoat. You are taking photos? How many are taking photos? Raise your hands. How many are taking photos? Raise your hands. Very good, very good, very good. You enjoyed it. Okay? Rainy season is one of the season. Say all of you. Rainy season is one of the season. Rainy season is after summer. It comes after summer. We felt very happy. We felt very happy. Why you felt very happy? You need holiday. Yes or no? You like holidays or not? You like holidays. So when rain comes, automatically school declared holiday. You enjoy a lot. That is the one reason. Second, you play with water. Are you playing with water? You like it? Yes. You like the rain. So rainwater is useful to farmer. Rainwater is useful to farmer. So what is the need for growing plant? Growing plant, what is the need? Very good, very good. What is the need? Water. Water is need for growing plant. For growing plants. Growing what? Plants. Plants give us oxygen and fruit and everything. And greenery, environment, everything should be green and green. So we like trees, flowers, food and everything. So water is need for us. So rainy season is the important season. Say all of you, rainy season is. Now we have to say one. If you get up your faces, stand up. Very good. I say right. You say action. Okay now? Say all of you. Pitter patter raindrops. Pitter patter raindrops. Falling from the sky. Falling from the sky. Pitter patter raindrops. Falling from the sky. Here is my umbrella. There is my raincoat. Here is my umbrella. There is my raincoat.